Hello students, today we will do the cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. So how to find the cube root of 1, that is unity. So let the cube root of 1, that is cube root of 1, be equal to x, or we can write it as 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to x. Now we cube both sides, so this becomes x cube is equal to 1. Now it will be written as x cube minus 1 is 0. It can be written as x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. So what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? It is a minus b, that is x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus 1. Sorry, a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So this is a cube minus b cube. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. तो यहाँ से तो x की वैल्यू 1 आ गई. तो यहाँ से वैल्यूज क्या आएंगी? x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac by 2a. So which can further be written as x is 1 and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root of minus 3 by 2. So it is x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 iota square upon 2. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus iota root 3 by 2. So x is 1 and x is minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2 and x is minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2. So we have three values of x. One is 1, one is minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2, and one is minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2. So these are the cube roots of unity. That means the three roots of 1 are 1, this and this. इसको we will take as omega. हम इसको omega लेंगे और इसको we will take as omega square. So the cube roots of 1 will be 1, omega and omega square. These are the three cube roots of unity. Now if we do the cube of omega, अगर मैं omega का cube निकाल दूँ, omega, if I find the cube of omega, it comes out to be 1. अगर मैं इसका क्यूब करूंगा तो 1 आएगा. एंड 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर, अगर मैं इन तीनों टर्म्स को ऐड करूं तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 0. तो यहाँ से प्रॉपर्टी दो और जनरेट हो जाएंगी. ओमेगा प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एंड 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज माइनस ओमेगा एंड 1 plus omega is minus omega square. So इसमें से ये तीन प्रॉपर्टीज ये ऐसे भी हम बना सकते हैं. So these are the rules, these are the properties of the cube roots of unity. Now where these are applied, so let's do one question. Evaluate omega power 1999. We have to find the value of omega power 1999. So how to find the value of omega power 1999? Now हमें पता है ओमेगा क्यूब इज 1, so let's divide 1999 by 3. 3618 and 3618, the remainder is 1. Therefore, we can write it as omega 3 into 666 plus 1, omega 3 into 666 and omega power 1. So this is omega cube power 666 into omega. So that means 1 power 666 into omega, that means it is omega. So omega power 1999 which comes out to be omega. So अगर आपको वैल्यू पूछी होती कि what is the value of 1 minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2 to the power 19999, so आप इसको you just take it omega लेते, omega power 1999 it will be written as, because we know that omega cube is 1, तो 3 से डिवाइड करते जो रिमाइंडर बचता वो ओमेगा की पावर में वैल्यू आती है, and that will be the answer. तो omega power 1 will be the answer. So let's do one more question. Find the value of minus 1 plus iota root 3 to the power 555 plus minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2 to the power 555. We have to calculate its value. अगर हम सिंपल इसकी सिंप्लीफिकेशन करें algebraic way से, तो it is very difficult to get the value of this question. Now हमें पता है ये क्या है, this is the omega. हमें पता है minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2, this is omega. And what is minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2? And this is omega square. So it is omega power 555 and it is omega square power 555. So now it is omega 555 plus omega to the power 1110. So how to get the value of omega 555? Now if I divide this 555 with 3, now what will be the remainder? So the remainder will be, it is completely divisible by 5, the remainder will be 0. So it will be 1, value will be 1 plus, now when I divide 110 with 3, then what will be the remainder? If I divide 1110 with 3, what will be the remainder? The remainder is again will be 0. So it is completely divisible by 3. So that means it is the power is the factor of 3. तो multiple of 3 है तो 1 ही आएगा, ये भी multiple of 3 है, so ये भी 1 आएगा, तो 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is how we use the cube root of unity in calculating such questions. Thank you.